Yes, progression trick, come on. Hit it hard with your shots, come on. Kick me harder. I take it personally. Come on, keep going. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Come on, because we're doing this with the sticks a bit and disarm. Come on. That's the shot, Lewis. Sharpen him up. Faster, 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 faster. That's it, better. Go on. You can do it after all. Come on. That's it, good. Come on, faster, faster. Get the hoobud in, quick. Hoobud, loobud. Tie and untie. Sharp, sharp, sharp. That's what it means. Sharp, sharp, sharp. I'm telling them to be sharp, sharp, sharp. Quick, that's the sharp. Come on, let's go. Put some other moves in. You know any traps? Put some other. Keep going, let's go. Chop at the neck. You two, over there. Stop mincing about, come on. I'm trying to film over here without you messing about. Go. Good go. That's it, go on. Yes, it puts all, tell us some more moves to do as well. So put elbows in there, knees in there. Come on, Lewis. Much better, come on. Come on, bang it, that's it. Jitsun Choi, straight blast, whatever. Mix what you like in. Jiu-Jitsu concepts, we put what we like in. This is the Young Warriors. Go on, get shots in. Keep going.